So guys, how was the first little bit of riding that we did?
My ass hurts.
Yeah.
I didn't.
Because you had to do the Ortega, right?
Yeah.
How was Ortega?
It would have been fine if I wasn't behind someone who was fucking slow.
Was it cold or hot?
It was hot.
If I heard it break, I
and then cold.
But they kind of.
And then it was okay.
Cabin.
What's up, bro?
How's your trip here from? Where'd you start from?
LA.
Started in LA?
Yep.
How was it, man?
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
How's it going with you?
Pretty good. It's about you, bro. I thought we were gonna... Yeah, I thought we were gonna chill here. What the f... Yeah, we're chilling here. How's riding through the rain, bro?
It's not too bad.
Not too bad?
Yeah, I'm used to riding in the rain.
Really? Oh man, dude.
It doesn't bother me. I'm not even wet. Like, that wasn't rain.
Yeah.
No.
Dude, I'm freezing, bro. Like, and we still have some more rain over here to go, I think.
I'm still dry. How
Yeah?
are you guys wet?
Shee, yeah, dude. We froze.
Play with the beat.
Purchase your tracks today.
How's the rain for you, bro?
Huh?
How's the rain for you?
I don't know. We're getting like a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Hot.
It's a good adventure.
Yeah, we got some sun, we got some fucking snow, we got some
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
How long do you think it'll take until we get back? Like
Probably like 40 minutes, 40, 50 minutes. Or an hour, yeah. But it's home stretch, 75 miles. How you feeling?
tired.
It's been how long? 12 hours?
Yeah.
Has it been 12 hours?
Has it really?
We left at 7. It's about to be 7.
Purchase your tracks today.
Oh.
I know. I met this guy that actually panned gold and made his wife ring out of gold. That's funny. Yeah, it is.